Hello guys, this is Matt here with Comax Gaming, and in this lesson we're gonna actually pick up where we left off in the last lesson, and it was the basic introduction to it. So yeah, in this lesson what I'm gonna teach you is to create a command like this and make it return something to you, like a text or something. Okay, we're gonna use this command since we already created that, and I didn't say what was this last argument for. This last argument is the description of the command. For example, I don't know, you can type what it does. It's a test command, and this is gonna show up only to the server owner, the one that has access to the actual base computer or the server. Okay, so we're gonna use this one. Oh, and the flags. You can find all the flags levels in a file that is let me find it really fast. It's in SourceMod configs, and here you can find admin levels. This is the file, and here are all the flags: reservation, generic, kick, ban, and ban slay. That is the one we're using right here, and flag slay. Yeah. So, okay. So the next thing is how to actually use this command we created right here. So, like it said in the previous lesson, we have to use this. This is the function, quotation marks, to extend the actual command. So what you gotta do is write the following: public. Oh, and one thing, I wrote description here instead of description. So okay, public action colon, and here you're gonna write this thing, command something, curly braces, and here you wanna write client and args. Client stands for the client that types this command in their console. We're gonna see that in a second. And args is the actual arguments of that command. For example, we require that this command has 3 arguments: smtest, the first argument, the second argument, and the third argument. So this 3 things is what args is gonna get. So we're gonna check that in a second right now. Okay, so in here basically we're gonna create everything for the command we created. So the first thing we want to do is check how many args, well, check if he wrote any args at all. So to do this, we just type if args are smaller than 1, which means 0, then we want to do something. Okay, here we're going to write print to console, that basically prints to the console that the client operate the command to the, yeah, you get the point, to the console of the client. So the first parameter is the actual client, which is this one we're getting, and then the second parameter is what you want to print. So you normally would use sm as a prefix to tell the client that you're printing it through sm. Sm stands for SourceMod, and we're gonna type usage smtest. We're gonna type a message as a parameter. Okay, so after we said this, we want to type this: return plugin handled. What's this for, you might be asking. This is so that everything after this doesn't get executed. The plugin ends here, or at least this function. So if we have less than 1 argument, then just basically print this and execute the stop command, sort of. Next, what we're gonna do is actually, if the user typed an argument, then we can actually take it and read it. So to do so, we want to type my bad, get cmd arg. And now this needs three parameters. The first one is going to be the argument you want, and in this case we're just wanting one parameter. But if you were creating a command that needed more than one, then you would create like how many you need, and you're gonna be like, okay, this one gets the first argument, the second, the third, and the fourth argument, like that. But we're using one, so it's one comma the string that is gonna handle this, which is we're gonna call it arg1. We're gonna create it in a second, and then size of arg1. Size of basically means that it's gonna get the array size of the string that we're gonna create in just a second. So to create a string, you just do the following: new string, the name arg1, and then you type the array size in here. We're gonna give it 32, the size of 32. I think it's enough. Okay, after this, what we want is what we can do. Let's see, we can make a sort of say command. Let's see, what we're gonna do is print to chat all. Well, actually, print to chat will only print to the client you specify, and print to chat all will print it to everyone. So what we're gonna type here is, okay, first we're gonna, to make this look nicer, we're gonna make another string called name, and it's obviously gonna store the name. To get the client name, it's get client name. Client as first parameter, name as a string, and size of the string, which is name. So okay, we actually want to print something like this: name, colon, and the message key types. So to achieve this, what we want to do is type %s colon %s. Okay, I know you're confused right now, but this means that you're gonna be replacing this thing here with an actual string. Same for this one. Okay, so we're gonna go here and create arg1 and name. Whoa, no, name arg1. Okay, so what are we doing here is saying that this right here is going to be replaced with name, and this right here is going to be replaced with this, and this is basically going to show you what I wrote right here: name, colon, and the message. Okay, so that's like really simple to make, and this is an actual plugin. So if you give me a second, yeah, and every time we create a command, we actually have to return something at the end. So return plugin handle, like we did before, and then we're gonna proceed with the compilation of this plugin. So you go to where your scripting folder is, which is normally add-ons SourceMod scripting, and this is my file, tutorial, and you just drag it to the compile.exe, and it's gonna compile like that. Really simple. And that's all, guys. Then you press exit, you go where to the compiled folder. Here you look for your plugin, here tutorial, you copy it, you go to your plugins folder and you paste it right here, and then when you load it, when you load the server, it's gonna load automatically. So really simple, guys. Thanks for watching. Rate it up if you liked it. Add it to your favorites. Share it. Subscribe. I don't know. See ya.